Welcome to BankX. This is to promote the launch of BankX on Pulsechain. We are giving away our stablecoin XSD for all eHex purchasers on Pulsechain. Some of the terms around the promotion are it must be a transaction a minimum of 1,000 USD value. In a single transaction, for every 10,000 value of the eHex purchase, you also get an NFT from BankX on Pulsechain. We also have a leaderboard where the top 3 wallets will get bonus more XSD stablecoin. And this promotion ends when 5 million in USD value is entered and validated within our system. So what you want to do is go to eHex.io or eHex.bankx.io and read all of the instructions there and the terms of this promotion. We also have a referral program where you earn a 5% boost for every person that you refer to this promotion that puts a validated transaction into the system. So you must register your transaction, and these transactions only apply after the launch date. So you can't enter a transaction from, say, a year ago. So you can join our Telegram at BankX.io or Twitter at BankX.io with the same handle at BankX.io, or you can visit our website www.bankx.io. If you're new to BankX, BankX is the first cryptocurrency that pays you interest for minting a stablecoin, and the XSD stablecoin is designed to track the price of 1 gram of silver, which is a much better inflationary hedge. We also have an NFT that pays you stablecoin at certain TVL milestones, and that boosts your rewards when you lock up the BankX token. BankX has been in research and development and testing for 3 years. We've launched on Ethereum, Binance, Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, and Phantom, and soon to be Pulsechain. Please visit www.bankx.io to learn more. Thank you.